You ever just sitting there paying attention in class or when somebody's talking and you're just like, man, I really wish I could just do something else right now and just record this for later. Well, boy, do I have the product for you. It also transcripts in a bunch of different languages. It's basically a wearable device that can record and transcript conversations, either for business purposes or whatever you want to use it for. It's called the Anypin NotePod P1. So some wearable AI tech today. Here you go. If you guys want to talk about where AI is going in the future, AI wearable tech. You know, instead of using your phone, you could just have a wearable device, click of a button. You can ask it questions. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage. It's also IP64 water resistant. Let's get a first look at the Anypin NotePod P1. Let's just get it open and take a look at it. Okay, here we go. The NotePod P1. On the back right quick, it did say the color at least. It's called Meteorite Gray. I like that. Anypin NotePod P1. Okay, so user manual data cable. Here is the thing itself. The man, the myth, the legend, the Anypin. There it is. And then there's like a magnet so you can like put it inside your shirt. Pretty cute. Smaller than I thought. Where does the lanyard go? I guess in there. I have a little hook right there. Okay. Yeah, so there's one button there, one button there. 4 directional mics, a little LED indicator. Not sure what this is. Speaker maybe? That'd be cool if there's a speaker on this. And then you have your little magnet. So I can like wearable. You don't really need the lanyard. I think a lot of people use these if they're at like a multilingual event, like they don't understand, especially like a work event or like, I don't know, in a place where you don't where you don't speak the language. It's good to have one of these around so you know what happened. You know, if you were there in person, you have the right to know like what people were talking about right next to you. So bring one of these. Most languages would probably be covered by it. So what else we get? Oh, what is that? Okay, there's a little cable, very reminiscent of like the older iPhone cable, still silicone. Type-C, Type-C. The user guide. Okay, a couple more things in here. We got a little shirt clip in case you don't want to put it underneath your shirt. You just want to clip it on your, like how I do with my Rode mic. Boom, ready to go. And what is this? I think this is just like a little charging dock. Cute. Okay, so this is the little charging dock. So I guess in order to charge it, you got to take your little magnet piece off so you can get your pins right here. And then you're gonna just, and that'll charge it. And there's a little Type-C right here. Boom. Before we get farther into it, I want to tell you a little bit more about it. It's got precise speaker labeled transcription. Basically what that means is it delivers clear, accurate transcription powered by advanced speech processing, intelligent noise reduction. It says it achieved up to 98% accuracy on speech test benchmarks. So very accurate compared to your normal AI device. It's got context aware recording. So you can kind of set it up to where if you just want to record it while you're at work, it can do that. If you want to record in a specific location only, you can also do it based on a schedule. So like through location or schedule, it kind of does things automated. So you don't really have to worry about it or think about it. You just bring it with you. And of course, my favorite part of these devices is the AI powered summaries and the AI assistant. And of course, with any wearable AI device, you want to talk a little bit about security because obviously it's going to be listening to your conversations. So what are they going to do with that data? All data is locally encrypted on the device. It says context aware recordings automatically stops recording in sensitive areas such as homes or private offices. And the cloud storage is also fully encrypted. So your data is safe from end to end. It's encrypted on your device and it's encrypted in the cloud storage as well. Okay, so a couple things that Anypin supports overall, but the demo unit doesn't necessarily have, but it's something they'll probably add in the future. But I won't be able to show you guys today is the remote start and stop feature. The demo version doesn't support that. The chat bot that you talk to, like the AI assistant or whatever, is not available in the demo, so you won't be able to test that either. When it fully comes out, those should be integrated within the device, but it's just pretty seamless. If you guys are into, you know, locking in with AI and integrating them into your daily schedule and something like that, then this is definitely a solid device to kind of help you out. Anyways, let's see what exactly I can do on the demo device so I can show you guys. Is there like an app or... Okay, we're back. It's been a couple days, but Anypin app has finally been released. You guys remember Anypin? For you, it's been mere seconds. For me, it's been days. So now it says connect Anypin. This is the one. It's still on. I didn't charge it. I was surprised, but it still got battery. I'm gonna hit connect. Okay, there we go. Okay, start to pin your day. All right. Click on the button to upload your recordings. Hello? It's me? Is it recording? Is it? Okay, let's just do a quick test right here. 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's NOon&x. What's up? Subscribe to the channel. Okay, yeah, it worked. So you just have to upload them. It was a little bit of a process, but we got it there. There's one here. It just says hello, hello. Okay, it's got a bunch of stuff. All right, I have higher hopes now. Okay, so you just hold down this button to start the recording. It's the one on the right. If you're looking at it with the indicator down, it's this one right here. Dude, this one's actually really good. It got like everything I said. It got like where I paused, it put commas. It didn't make a single mistake. Hello, it's me. Is it recording? Is it? Okay, let's just do a quick test right here. 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's NOon&x. What's up? Subscribe to the channel. I mean, uploading takes a little bit longer to do, but clearly it helps with the accuracy. It gives a summary here, an outline of what's going on, a reflection, and a summary. Okay, not bad, dude. Not bad. Okay, let's translate what I said to Spanish. Translate to Spanish. Translating. Looks about right to me. That's Spanish. I mean, it translated it. It looks like it can translate it into only a few options. French, English, and Spanish for now. Hopefully with more updates you'll be able to do more languages. So we know it can translate those. Let's see if it can pick up another language and translate it to English, because that's probably the main use for it. But overall, like the way that it picked up language and speech and stuff was really good, like surprisingly good. I'm gonna play this video, this YouTube video in Chinese, and then I'm gonna hit this button and see and record some of it and then see if I can get it into English.
这牛油果果核好大，可以用来水培。
And now we wait.
然后再把鸡
Something about
蛋
making
放
breakfast and
上去
avocados. I see avocado down there.
放一点黑胡椒，放一点盐，然后我个人还喜欢放一点拉茶酱，因为我喜欢吃辣。放盘子里吧。现在做一杯咖啡，这种咖啡壶大家都知道吧？煮咖啡也很简单，只有几个步骤。
Okay. And we're gonna translate. Translate to English. I mean, you can kind of see on the screen here, there's some Chinese, a little bit of what I said. It actually worked. It worked pretty well. Something here about hydroponics, I guess, and then for some reason. And then the first thing she said, it can be grown in water. I assume she was talking about the avocados. And then she said, then put the eggs on top. Then she said, add a little black pepper, add a little salt. Then I personally also like to add a bit of chili sauce because I like it spicy. Put it on a plate. Now let's make a cup of coffee. Everybody knows this kind of coffee pot, right? Making coffee is also very simple. There are only a few steps. That's pretty good, dude. That's like a straight up dead on translation. That's I mean, because it had the English on the bottom too in the video, so that's really good. It makes sense. It like translated it to English like in a way that's actually like consumable. Good job, dude. And with the translation, it can do the same thing. It can give you an outline, a reflection, a summary of what's going on. So it could translate from another language into English, which is the most useful thing I could think of. It didn't let me down. The translation was really good. The quality was really good. The only thing that it just kind of took a little bit to upload it, but once you did, it's very accurate. So I definitely, if you're looking for like one of these wearable notes to take notes to like transcribe a meeting or like a class or whatever, even something in a different language, I really do recommend this. The quality and like the accuracy of the transcript is really important with these. You don't want to miss a single word. I really don't think this one would let you down. Accuracy wise, I'd say this one has provided the best transcripts out of any note device that I've seen. Surprisingly, I know, like look at it. It works really well. So overall, pretty good job, Anypin. If you guys like the video, you like AI note wearables, we've done a few videos on them. You guys can check out the channel if you want. I'll leave a link for this in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. That's pretty much it. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace.